I want to talk about something that affects all of us, the rising costs of groceries. As a former grocery store manager, I've seen firsthand how prices have skyrocketed. It's shocking to realize that the same items we used to buy for a reasonable price are now marked up significantly. It's not just about inflation, it's about the entire supply chain and how it impacts our wallets. But here's the kicker. Many people think they can just grow their own food to save money. Sounds simple, right? But let me tell you, traditional gardening can be a real challenge. You need space, time, and a lot of patience. Not everyone has a backyard or the luxury of hours to dedicate to planting and maintaining a garden. That's where my solution comes in, the 5-minute garden. This is designed specifically for beginners and those with limited space. You don't need a green thumb or a lot of time. With just 5 minutes a day, you can grow your own organic vegetables right in your apartment, on your balcony, or even in a small corner of your kitchen. Imagine stepping outside your door and picking fresh tomatoes, basil, or lettuce for your meals. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your food comes from. Plus, growing your own food is a great way to connect with nature and reduce stress. The 5-minute garden system includes everything you need to get started. Easy-to-follow guides, pre-planned layouts, and even seed kits. It's all about making gardening accessible and enjoyable. You don't have to worry about complicated techniques or expensive equipment. And right now, I'm excited to announce a flash sale on the complete 5-minute garden system. This is your chance to take control of your food security and start growing your own food. Along with the system, you'll receive additional bonuses that will help you maximize your gardening experience. But don't wait too long. This offer won't last forever. Take the first step towards a more sustainable, cost-effective way of living. Join the 5-minute garden community today and start your journey to fresh, homegrown produce. You deserve it.